Amazing animal stem cell therapy case study that changed dog's life. Animal companions keep us happy and healthy, and more of us own pets than ever before. It's clear that we're sentimentally devoted to those pets. More than half of us say we'd leap into action for our furry family members if they were injured. Here is a great animal stem cell therapy case study that proves how effective Medrago stem cells are. It's also true that around 50% of big breed dogs suffer from joint diseases. One of the most common diseases is arthritis. It is degeneration of cartilage, causing bone-to-bone contact around affected joints, which makes it difficult and painful to move around. The older an animal gets, the more likely it will face the condition. Up to 95% of dogs over 8 years old suffer from it, say veterinarians. Since the disease is not fatal, many dog owners spend hundreds, even thousands of euros every year to alleviate the pain and improve their pet's quality of life. Animal stem cell therapy case study with real experience. One day, Scoggins stretched her arm behind her head and whipped a tennis ball over her shoulder for her dog Reina, a 10-year-old Shetland sheepdog, to fetch. Reina had been begging to go outside just moments before, but she took only a few tentative steps in the ball's direction, feebly sighed, and then gave up. It turned out that Reina was suffering from canine osteoarthritis. The medications and supplements weren't helping, says Scoggins. And you can't fix arthritis with surgery. After spending thousands on treatments that weren't working, Scoggins stumbled across information about animal stem cell therapy. And full of hope signed Reina up for the procedure at a veterinary clinic nearby. Animal stem cell therapy is a regenerative technique through which stem cells are harvested from an animal, isolated, then injected directly into the troubled joints. It can be used to treat arthritis, hip dysplasia, tendinitis, and other diseases and injuries in our furry friends. For a few days after therapy, Reina didn't trust her suddenly lessened pain, climbing steps with great caution. But today everything has changed. Reina goes outside for 5 play sessions a day, even in the bitter cold. I can't keep up with her, Scoggins says. These days she can run forever. Stem cell therapy options. The stem cell treatments vary from clinic to clinic. Some, like the one that treated Reina, use adult stem cells from the suffering pet itself. It is known as autologous stem cell therapy. In this case, the dog is put under anesthesia, and the veterinarian makes a minimally invasive cut and removes a few tablespoons of the animal's fat. Then cells are isolated and multiplied, making a stem cell treatment that is injected back directly into the troubled joints. Medrago offers both autologous and allogeneic stem cell therapy for animal treatment. Allogenic or donor-derived stem cell therapy differs from autologous stem cell therapy with the fact that there is no need for invasive stem cells to obtain the procedure. Since this stem cell treatment contains stem cells obtained from a donor animal. This fact also affects the price of stem cell therapy. Having one invasive procedure less makes it less expensive. Some research also indicates that some animals produce more and better stem cells than others, meaning the cell's characteristics are more predictable and consistent. So using allogeneic cells from a donor animal can mean higher quality cells. The non-invasive procedure comes with the possibility of gaining higher quality cells. Additionally, it has a lower price, a high success rate, and it is 100% safe. Thereby, allogenic stem cell therapy is a great choice for your animal's health. I would take out a loan on my house to do this again if I needed to, Scoggins says. It's that worth it. So, after hearing this animal stem cell therapy case study, do you really need to think twice about how to treat your dog's injuries? To gain more information about the Medrago stem cell therapy to help your pooch, contact us.